Good morning, everyone. Our assigned topic is all about techniques on uncertainty reasoning. What is uncertainty? Information can be incomplete, inconsistent, uncertain, or all three. In other words, information is often suitable for solving a problem. Ang uncertainty is isa ka information nga dili kompleto, maglahi-lahi o dili sad sigurado. Pero kanang tulo. Information about uncertainty is makasulbad o problema. Uncertainty is defined as the lack of the exact knowledge that would enable us to reach a perfectly reliable conclusion. Ang uncertainty is mahusi dyan na kuwang pa sa insaktong knowledge, pero naghatag si Jagway na to para makakreate tag conclusion nga insakto o makasaligan. Classical permits only exact reasoning. It assumes that perfect knowledge always exists and the law of the excluded middle can always be applied. If A is true, then A is not false. If A is false, then A is not true. Next is the source of uncertain knowledge. With implication, imprecise language, unknown data, and combining the views of different experts. First is the implication. Domain expert and knowledge engineers have painful task of establishing concrete correlations between if condition and then action parts of the rules. Ang weak implication, ang mga domain expert o knowledge engineers, kalisod sila og pag-build up sa connection between sa if na condition ug sa then na action na part sa rules. This is imprecise language. Our natural language is ambiguous and imprecise. We describe facts with such terms as often and sometimes, frequently and hardly ever. As a result, it can be difficult to express knowledge in the precise if-then form of production rules. However, if the meaning of the facts is qualified, it can be used in expert systems. Ang imprecise language, malabo o di pa insakto. Ang imprecise language, ma-describe nato siya as panagsaw, gasahay, or lisod gajud. Ang resulta, lisod gajud i-express ang information sa precise if-then nga rules, pero kung ang meaning sa facts pasado, pwede siya magamit sa expert systems. Unknown data, when the data is incomplete or missing, the only solution is to accept the value unknown and proceed to an approximate reasoning with this value. Ang unknown data, kung ang data is dili kompleto or nawa, ang solution na jud is to accept the value unknown. Next is the combining the views of different experts. The expert system usually combines the knowledge and expertise of a number of experts, and fortunately, experts often have contradiction opinions and produce conflicting rules. And combining the views of different experts, ang mga expert systems kasagaran gigamit nila ang knowledge o expertise sa isa ka butang. Ang problema lang, ang mga expert kasagaran mag-contradict ang ilang opinion o sa paghimo sa rules. Basic probability theory. The concept of probability has a long history that goes back thousands of years when words like probably, likely, maybe, perhaps, and mathematical theory of probability was formulated. Only in the 17th century. The probability of an event is the proportion of cases in which the event occurs. Probability can also be defined as a specific measure of chance. Probability can be expressed mathematically as the numerical index with a range between 0 and absolute possibility or unity and absolute certainty.
Most events have probability index strictly between 0 and 1, which means that event has at least two possible outcomes, favorable outcomes or success, and unfavorable outcome or failure. P success is equals to the number of successes over the number of possible outcomes. P failure is equals to the number of failures over the number of possible outcomes. If S is the number of times success can occur and F is the number of times failure can often, then P success is equals to P S over S plus F. P success is equals to Q F over S plus F, and P plus Q is equals to 1. If we throw a coin, the probability of getting a head will be equal to the probability of getting a tail. In a single throw, S or success is equals to F, failure is equals to 1, and therefore the probability of getting a head or tail is 0.5. Conditional probability. Let A be an event in the world and B be another event. Suppose that events A and B are not mutually exclusive but occur conditionally on the occurrence of the other. The probability that event A will occur if event B occurs is called the conditional probability. Conditional probability is denoted as mathematically as P A given B, in which the vertical bar represents given and the complete probability expression is interpreted as conditional probability of event A occurring given that event B has occurred. P and B is equals to the number of times A and B can occur over the number of times B can occur. The number of times A and B can occur, the probability of both A and B will occur is called the joint probability of A and B. It is represented mathematically as P A subset to B. The number of B can occur is the probability of B. P, B, and those P A and B is equals to P A intersection of B over P B. Similarly, the conditional probability of event B occurring given that event A has occurred equals P B and A is equals to P B intersection of A over P A. Hence, or P B intersection of A is equals to P B and A times P A. P A intersection of B is equals to P B and A times P A. Substituting the last equation into the equation, P A and B is equals to P A intersection of B over P and B. All of this formula has been tackled in our discrete mathematics. And that's all. Thank you.